Right. The final step I just want to go through with you is, well, how does this all come together? So to do that, I'm just going to demonstrate how we can make calls with our smart dialer list and what happens when we click those dispositions to mark things off in our cold calling list and automate things like DNC dates and things like pushing up to our actual acquisitions system. So to do that, I'm going to pop over to campaigns. I'm going to open up our Philly C list, and I'm going to run a call session. Now, when you do this, you often do want to resync from Podio. I'm not going to because I just literally uploaded this list, so I haven't made any changes. I'm just going to click Run the Campaign. That's going to open up my agent list. You can see that we've not done any dialing yet. 0% of our list has been called. Our 2 lines are ready, and we're ready to go. I'm going to click Dial, and it's going to start the call. And I am on a call with Tessa B.
Hey,
that's a fake number. So here we are now on the call. I can take a look at all the information available to me and see everything I need. I've got the map right there, and I can go ahead. I'm just going to stop the call. So I'm an agent, and I've just made this. I've connected to this person. Fantastic. I've seen all this. I'm going to take my notes on the call. If I had a call script, I could fill that in as well. I don't tend to use it myself. Take my notes, and then most importantly, I'm going to complete the disposition. And this is the key bit. And I'm going to click Converted. And this is what we want our agents to do, because essentially they've just clicked Start. They've been connected to a call. They've seen the information, and they've gone, great, this was a successful call, and this person is ready to go. Now let's pop back over into our cold calling list. This was Tessa, right, that we just spoke to? Who did we call? Tessa B. Let's look at Tessa B. And we can see, if we go down to the bottom, we can see some things are happening already. And the first thing that's happening is you can see the smart dialer disposition has been switched to converted. You can see the status has been switched to qualified and pushed. We've done a contact duplicate sync. We've not found a duplicate, and we've created a brand new contact in our contacts app for Tessa B. She will now be in our contacts app. We've just created her. There she is. We've also done a property duplicate search, and no, we've not found a duplicate. And so we've gone ahead and created that property as well. And of course, we've filled in the key information here of when qualified, so we can do some metrics around that. And in the properties app, we've automatically pushed Tessa B as that seller. So right away, that is a massive automation. If you think about what's happened here, the agent has simply loaded up a list, got on the phone with someone, and clicked Converted. And in the background, we've gone ahead and we've said, great, let's do all the work for them. We have updated this app item. We have created a contact. We've created a property. We've linked the two together. And everything is all linked up to our campaigns app as well. If you do this properly, that means we've got the best of all worlds, right? We've got our agents just sitting on the phones making calls. They just simply have to take their notes properly. They have to click the right button, whether it's DNC, converted, or dead, whatever it is. And if they do that and they focus on the dialing, we can do the rest by properly setting up a Podio system.